Are you looking for the best solar ovens? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best solar ovens that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. The Gas & Go Ultra Portable Solar Cooker. The innovative design of the Gas & Go Ultra Portable Solar Cooker enables it to reach much higher temperatures than other solar oven designs, providing rapid cooking comparable to a traditional electric oven. A key element of its design is the vacuum tube. Because there is no air inside the tube, almost all the sunlight energy collected is utilized for cooking. This parabolic solar oven is also super lightweight and compact. Its built-in zip-up EVA foam hardshell case protects this solar oven during transportation. Although the vacuum tube is made from glass, it is surprisingly durable. The tube can also be used to boil 14 ounces of water in one go. This parabolic oven is ideal for hiking and camping both during summer and winter, whenever there is sunlight. Of course, there are downsides to every product. The cooking volume inside the Gas & Go Ultra Portable Solar Cooker only allows you to cook small portions for 2 people or a huge portion for 1 person in one cooking session. The range of meals you can cook is also limited by the shape of the tube. You could never roast a turkey in this oven, and it is not the best choice for larger families. However, given how fast this parabolic oven works, you can cook 2 meals one after the other. Alternatively, because this oven is affordable, why not buy 2 Gas & Go ovens so you can cook a meal for the whole family at the same time? Cleaning is also a small issue. The long tube doesn't fit inside the small sinks often found in RVs, and this solar oven is generally more difficult to keep clean than other designs. This is the best solar cooker for couples or individuals hiking in the wilderness who want their food cooked fast. Pros: ultra portable and lightweight design, weighs only 2 pounds. Enough capacity to prepare a full meal for one 400 milliliters capacity. The efficient cooking time of 20 to 30 minutes. Flexibility in stand positioning, vertical or horizontal. Number 2. Sunflare Portable Solar Oven Deluxe. If you're trying to find the hottest solar oven in the world, you might want to check out the Sunflare oven. It has the solid features and compact size that makes it ideal for outdoor uses and functions. For someone who loves camping and adventure, I am impressed how this oven deluxe is designed and made. One of the things I liked about the solar cooker is that it comes with complete accessories. It is with a thermometer and dehydrating racks. With these things, you don't have to buy them separately because they already come with your purchase. I also liked that it comes with complete cookware, which makes it more versatile to cook, warm and bake your favorite foods even when outdoors. With it, you can feel as if you're not away from home, but close to it. The convenience of home cooking is within reach if you have the portable oven with you. In addition, the portable solar oven is effective for cooking up to sundown. For this reason, it is one of the best choices among those who love solar cooking. It is an efficient way of cooking when outdoors because it can receive much sunlight and cook food because its reflectors can emit much heat. With this manner of cooking, there is also no need to spend on gas and fuel. Also, there is no worry about looking for an outlet source too. With it, you can cook anywhere there is direct and much sunlight exposure. I would like to mention that it's also versatile to cook most types of foods like pizza. In addition, it can work effectively in drying fruits and herbs. Also, the versatility does not end in the unlimited food choices to cook on it, but in the wide range of cookware to use with it. Number 3. AllAmerican Sun Oven. The AllAmerican Sun Oven has been around for over 28 years. The manufacturer has modified its design several times to make it more efficient. This box solar oven's main advantages are that it achieves a higher temperature, cooks food quicker, and is more durable than other solar ovens. It also boasts a cooking chamber large enough to roast a turkey for Thanksgiving. The unique aiming device built into the glass door handle enables you to aim the oven toward the sun more accurately than is possible with other solar ovens. This is one of the reasons the AllAmerican Sun Oven is so efficient. The high temperature achieved by this solar oven means it cooks and bakes food only a little more slowly than a conventional oven. The rugged design of the AllAmerican Sun Oven ensures you will benefit from many years of use. If you are committed to a green lifestyle, you can use this in place of your electric oven any day when there is sufficient sunlight. However, there is a cost for the high efficiency and durability of this solar box oven. It is much larger and heavier than other solar ovens, making it more difficult to transport and store. Pros: highly reliable and durable solar oven. Offers a lot of cooking areas. decent cooking performance. Number 4. Hayden's 2.0 Sun-Up Solar Cooker and Dutch Oven Kit. The Hayden Solar Cooker is another oven kit not to miss when checking out different sun ovens on the market. For one, it has a nice and compact solar oven design, which makes it highly suitable for outdoor use. You can carry it anywhere you go camping or boating. It can also be used in tailgating, small homes and mobile homes. I like that it makes use of clean energy from the sun, so it doesn't cause pollution at all. As it uses the free energy of the sun, there is also no fossil fuel involved in the use of this oven. I would like to mention that this product is fire safe, so there is no fire danger for using it. You can also rely on it if you're in camping grounds where open flame cooking is not permitted. Another feature I'd like to note about this sun stove is its cooking surface that remains in place and its 4 reflector pedals moving around it for the sun. And if you want a longer term use, you can also get that from the stove that is made of metallized polyester along with polycarbonate materials that do not oxidize. With this feature, it can last 5 years in the sun, which is good for getting more out of your spending. This product is also ideal for boating, camping and disaster preparedness. It is also for those who want to live off the grid. It is also for those who love family picnics and keeping their food and drinks warm while outdoors. Features: perfect for disaster preparedness. No fossil fuel involved in its use. No fire danger. Can heat water 40% faster than other cookers can. Easy to deploy and store. Number 5. AllSeason Solar Cooker Camper. The AllSeason Solar Cooker Camper is large and powerful enough to hold a turkey roaster and to roast food as well as indoor ovens could. AllSeason Solar Cooker is a panel type of cooker, so you can use any kind of pot dimensions that you use. You can use 12-inch fry pans, 2 large separate pots, oblong type cake pans, and tall pots. The cooking space of the cooker is 12 inches deep and 17 inches wide. There is no limit in the height of the cooking area, so you can use any kind of pot that you want. AllSeason has great functions, great portability, amazing compact folding, and impressive wind resistance. There is no other camper in the market that can do this. When the solar cooker is in its full downward angle, the sun side is facing at the horizon directly, thus when it is in this angle, the ASSC camper gets full access to the light up until the last sunshine. Once the ASSC camper is in its full up position, the sun sight pin goes straight up and it captures the sun perfectly when it is directly overhead. If you wish to have a longer cooking duration, you can turn the cooker ahead of the sun. Move the reflector array upward to track the sun as it crosses the sky. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable your notifications bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price or purchase link in the description below.